Hello everyone, and today I'm going to show you how to make this very quick and simple rose from paper, and this is a design by Toshikazu Kawasaki. So we start off with a square sheet of paper as usual, and you can cut it from a regular A4 or letter-sized sheet of paper. If you want to see how to do it, please watch my other tutorials. So we start by folding the square in half. Unfold and repeat. Once you've done that, you're gonna take the paper and sort of push it right here in the center until you have like a dent, like that. Then after that, you're gonna pinch the paper right here, but only one layer, and sort of make it flat to form a square, or like a shape like that. And then you're gonna fold it one sheet of paper, one layer of paper as well here, then the same here. So let me show you again. Basically, take the paper, it's flat, then you push it from the center until you have the diamond shape in here. Then you pinch the one layer of paper here, and then you fold it upwards. Then you do the same on the other side until everything is flat. Once you've done that, make two additional folds here and then here. Then you can unfold the square, and you're gonna have something like that. So make sure it looks like that. So you take this side, and then this part is a little complicated, but basically you take one layer of paper and then you shift it so that this edge and this edge meet like that. And then you can see there is no folds here, and you're gonna make a fold while holding the paper like that, but it has to be even. So you can see that those edges, they have to be parallel to each other, like meeting. So you hold it like that, and then you make a fold, just to make a fold here. Then you're going to repeat it 3 times. We did it here, do the same thing here. Take the paper, align it, make a crease. Take the paper, align it, and make a crease here. Then finally, take the paper, align, crease. So once you've done that, you're gonna slowly start twisting and like rolling your rose by simultaneously sort of bending the paper along the creases that you just made. This can be a little tricky, but just don't be afraid to like crumble the paper because it's very flexible. As you can see, I'm struggling here a little bit, but the key here is to do it simultaneously on all 4 sides. Something like that, and then you're gonna make sure that the folds that you just made, you have to fold the paper along the folds. So Yeah, we're almost finished here. You can see your rose is starting to shape. Then you're gonna open up the center. You can use like some sort of like a pencil. So I'm just gonna push down the center. Like that, so there is, as you can see, it should look like that. And then for the bottom, you're gonna fold the paper upwards like that to make petals. Then every next petal you're gonna fold on top of the previous one, like that. Then once you've done your final fold, you're gonna tuck it in to the first one, the first petal, just like that. So you're almost done here. You're just gonna add a few final touches. If you want, this is optional, but if you want, you can fold the petals like that. And then also shape the petals right here just slightly, so they look more natural. You can use your pencil to sort of shape the inside of the rose. And this is pretty much it. This is your finished rose. And yeah, I hope this tutorial was helpful, and if you guys have any more questions, feel free to ask me in the comments below. Other than that, subscribe to my channel and hit that notification button so you get notified every time I post new tutorials. And yeah, see you guys next time.